So we're going to continue with our topic ratio and proportion. And we're looking at objective 11A. Objective 11A says we have problems in direct proportion. So if we have a can of soda and it costs 75 cents, that's the 75 cents. Get another can, need another 75 cans would cost 225. 4 cans would cost 300 cents, which is dollars. And 5 cans would cost 70. What happens is every time we increase the number of cans we get, number of money that we spend has to. This is what we call direct. Both values are increasing. It's direct, and both values are. It's still direct. The correlation is called a direct proportion. So Lazarus makes $150 by working 6 days. What would he have made working 4 days? So I like to use cross multiplication. We're gonna set up a thing. This anytime we have the numerical value, there's gonna be a unit attached to it. 150 is attached to dollar, and 6 is attached to days. Then we would do our equation that is based on the unknown. We don't know what he would make, so we put an X under the dollars, but we know it's gonna be 4 days. If we cross multiply, then we will have an equation that we can solve very nicely. So here's our days on this side. Sorry, dollars on the left, days on the right. When you cross multiply, you're going to get 6x's. Going to multiply 4 times 150, which is 600. So that means 600 is going to divide by the 6 that was in front of the x. That's going to give us $100. Means he would have made $100 4 days. So Hezekiah fills 9 bottles. Always look at the numerical value. We know what unit we want to use. We want to use bottles and we want to use liters. How much milk would 5 bottles hold? Start with what you know. 9 bottles, 1.5 liters. Then you focus on what you don't know. You don't know how much milk. So the X has to go under the liters. The 5 has to go under the bottles. And you can now do a cross multiplication. 5 will multiply the 4.5, and the 9 will multiply the X. Do notice that 4.5 can be used as a fraction or a decimal value, especially if you're using a calculator. It won't matter. You're still going to get this answer. The bottles, liters, we're going to cross multiply 9x's. Going to multiply 5 times 4.5. That's going to be 22.5. Going to be divided by this 9 that would. So x is 2.5. Okay.